there's that beauty. She's loaded big time.
Cool trains in Montreal. I'm here with Elton.
Hey, what's happening, guys?
Yeah, and here comes the CN freight. Westbound. Here at Sainte Anne De Bellevue. It's about 3:15 p.m. on the 8th of April 2023.
We might actually get a CP in the same.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Westbound CP.
This one's going slow too. It's really cool.
Yeah, which is weird. Usually they're coming around fast.
Yeah.
Oh, isn't this a beauty?
ES44 probably.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, it's good. Yeah, baby. CN 100 locomotives too.
I do that sometimes. They last second they're like they want us to think they're not gonna blow the horn.
Yeah. Just blow it. There's the water tower. Here at Sainte Anne De Bellevue. This is a good view. A lot of wood. Mixed freight. Westbound. There's Elton over there filming this train. Kind of going a little slow. A nice sunny afternoon with a little bit of wind, but not too bad. It sounds like it's stopping. Family lines, look at that. That's an oldie. Isn't the slack running out? Yeah, it's not often I come here, except in the summer I will come here by bike, but today I met Elton. We took the train out here. There's a 4 o'clock train heading back east that we'll take, and hopefully we'll get a couple of trains here at St. Anne's. And this is the first one. Last summer I was here and I got like 2 trains coming here, just eastbound and westbound. It's a good location for it too. They'll sneak up on you. There it goes around the curve. Unfortunately the sun isn't in a great spot. Oh, there it is. That's the end of the train, so I'll track it around there. Track it around the curve. There it is. It goes on to the St. Anne's Bridge. Look at that nice curve. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.